Hello guys, welcome back to Retrospect, your go-to source for crypto insights. Today we're diving into a pressing question. Are we entering the altcoin season 2025? Let's explore the latest indicators and what they mean for the market. So altcoin season refers to a period when alternative cryptocurrencies outperform Bitcoin. Typically occurs when most of the altcoins surpass Bitcoin's performance over a set time frame. The Altcoin Season Index measures this trend and it helps investors identify favorable market conditions for altcoins. Problem is that the Altcoin Season Index is reactionary. By the time it shows we're in alt season, it'll be too late to enter at good prices. Now, if you look at the latest figures, so early May, we saw numbers like 25 of the Altcoin Season Index. Right now, it's sitting on 37. 2 days ago, we were on 43. So there's definitely a sharp increase. The next indicator to look out for is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So up until Thursday, it has been increasing. It hit about 65.5 on Thursday, and since then has just kept on dropping. Today, on Sunday, we're on 63.29% Bitcoin dominance. The other thing to look out for is that sudden spike in the Ethereum price. We're sitting on $2,491. Those are prices we haven't seen since the beginning of March, which was shortly after that brief altcoin spike that we saw in February. And if you listen to the other crypto influencers, people like Alex Becker, he says altcoin hasn't started until Ethereum has spiked. I know a lot of people thought Ethereum was done and over, but he kept on saying that people are crazy. Going back to the Altcoin Season Index, 25 and below is considered low, 75 and above is considered high. We've just gone into the neutral phase, which is between 25 and 75, but the increase is noteworthy. Analysts predict that the next 3 to 6 months could be life-changing, with daily gains of about 40% becoming the norm for altcoins. However, guys, let's just keep some caution because this cycle may lack some retail support that we've seen in previous bull runs. Solana is also showing signs of leading the altcoin rally. Its price recently breached $170, factors including a surge in DeFi activity, a meme coin frenzy, and significant short liquidations on the horizon. And again, like Ethereum, these are prices that we only saw in the beginning of March, just off the end of that brief spike in altcoins we saw. But let's compare to the previous alt seasons. 2017 to 2018, Bitcoin's market dominance dropped dramatically from 86.3% in late 2017 to a low of 38.69% at the beginning of 2018. During that time, Bitcoin's price fell from $20,000 to $6,000 just a few months later. At that point, the ICO market for the altcoins was booming. 2020 to 2021, that altcoin season emerged during the coronavirus pandemic. Retail investors were looking for opportunities beyond Bitcoin. That led to the emergence of contemporary meme coins, with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu achieving unprecedented growth. NFTs also stimulated the alt markets, enhancing the overall sentiment within the DApp sectors. During that period, Bitcoin's market dominance dropped from 70% to 38%, while the total market capitalization doubled from 30 to 62%. The Altcoin Season Index hit 98, which is way above the neutral 75. Some traders are offering a more optimistic view, saying that this current structure replicates the last two alt seasons, but others remain skeptic. Rect Fencer, for example, pointed out that most altcoins have been down 90% since December, and we currently got a modest 10% bounce this week, which sparked an exaggerated optimism, prompting him to mock the rally with this meme. While we haven't officially entered the altcoin season, multiple indicators suggest we're on the cusp. As always, conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making investment decisions. What are your thoughts on the current market trends? Do you believe altcoin season 2025 has begun? Share your insights in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in crypto news. Bye bye.